Welcome back everybody into the second week of the FTMO challenge, day 1. Today is Monday, and as you can see, we are having a look at gold on the 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, hourly, 4 hour, and 5 minute. As you can see, the 1 minute is not anymore in the favorites. Woohoo! Big stuff. Let's just wait a second. And I'm back. And as I was saying, you might see that there's no 1 minute chart. That's because I have changed my plan. As you can see, as you know, I've been more looking at sort of high time frame price action and studying the style of Raja. And today I decided to apply it after all the weekends of studying and reviewing previous the previous live streams. As I told you, I was going to do an Excel file with some live streams review, and still I am still at the first month of last year, but I'm already much more confident in it. So as you can see, there's some back testing, and I took 2 trades today that we are going to see now. So trade number 1 was this one. As you can see, this is on the 15-minute chart. We understood that the price was making a resistance after making a support at this level. When the 15-minute candle closed below this previous PSA, the very next candle made a top wick and then flipped bearish. So I had placed a sell stop over here, got activated, very aggressive move, 10, 11 pips, and I was out of the chart. This is on as well here, 11 pips. This is on TradingView, and this was my first trade. Then we got a first possible entry, as you can see. This one was my candle. The very next candle made a top wick, and then I was backtesting if when the candle breaks its own lows, breaking below the other PSA, then we can further have impulsive action. And as you can see, it does. It had like 15, 17 pips. And I actually took another trade after this candle close. As you can see, this was the previous backtesting. Candle makes top wick. This is after the new 4-hour candle, makes top wick, goes bearish. I had a sell stop placed below here, 10 pips out of the game due to all these price action that I didn't really like it. Was very easy to get rejected from there. Afterwards, I did a back testing. So this is on the 5 minute instead. This one was my previous trade, as you can see, reacted and got rejected at this previous level. As you can see, this if it was the 1 minute, you will see it clear. This is a 5 minute end of pullback. Rejection, small candle, and big engulfing bearish candle on the 5 minute. So what I was looking for in this back testing, because I was already closed already the broker, was if price breaks below these previous rejections, then that's a possible sell stop over here. And as you can see, 15 pips, and I guess even more if we look on the as you can see from here, it went all the way back down for more than 20 pips. So what I learned today, and this one as well, was a back testing that I did later on that I also forgot about it. That was the same concept. If this bearish candle breaks below these previous lows, there's a high chance that price will go back to fill these wicks and retest this previous PSA. It was late. I wouldn't have taken the trade live because look at the volume, how small it is. And so it's not high volume time. It's well past London close. This one is as well a possible buy area after this price reacted at a 4-hour. This is a 4-hour PSA, as you can see. This one reacted exactly there, and then it broke above, and we have 24 pips on the upside. The only thing is that the volume is not the strongest, so of course I'm not trading. Look at the size of the candles and the size of the candles here. So this is the results of today. Backtesting 1, backtesting 2, today. As you can see, 2 sell, 0.22, 10 pips, 10 pips, 45 euros, which is 0.5%. And we are back to minus 0.5% from the minus 1% of last week. And the journaling. As you can see, 2 trades, 1, 2 were the same, took 20s on the 15-minute time frame where price broke previous lows, and there was clean price action on the left hand side. Price took off, I took off the entire position at 10 pips in both cases as per plan. I was not second guessing. I was really in a clear state of mind. I was putting in practice what I had deliberately practiced during the weekend, entries and setups on the 15-minute candles that I showed you, the sort of Raja style. I had no greed, no further thinking of, my first trade here, damn, if I left it running, would be 120 pips. Oh gosh, it would be 60 pips. No. Where else can I enter? Here, there. So that's, of course, in the future, I will be able to, I don't know where, I will be able to improve the trade management, leaving off maybe a runner. So at the 10 pips, I take 90% off, break even. And if you want to go to 60, then it's absolutely fine. But for now, I don't have to maximize. I just have to gain confidence in executing. So no greed, free state of mind. We take what the market gives us, and from there we go on. We move on. I don't care if it then retraces, goes back. I don't care. I want to take what the market offers me and avoid greed. What should I have done? My trading plan is trash right now. Is based on the 1 minute, and I'm not taking any more entries because of this. The price action is very similar. I know, I see, that's the strongest point of this thing, but these entries compared to the 5 minute are very different. This is less candles, more patience, and the cleanest setup. So for me now, I will only take on 15-30 minutes or maybe 5 minutes. This is the same price action understanding and understanding the momentum, and support and resistance broken in a clear way. Is broken in a much clearer way because it is a high time frame confirmation that the 30 minute is closing below. It's a top wick goes below 20 pips. That's it. That's more than enough. Then maybe I want to take further entries, but this is a 30-minute candle. Is not just a single 1 minute candle that maybe can retrace multiple times. So for me, it's much better. Of course, in the future, I will improve my trade management, but for now, it's absolutely fine. No feelings. I just felt how easy it was since there was no has to go. I mean, also, I was pushing myself to have like 30 pips partials, 45 pips TP. Yes, this one would have gone to 30 pips, but no, it's not. Market doesn't work this way. I don't have to be fixed on the size. What I was thinking during the session before starting, I was reviewing Raja entry, this one on the 30 minutes, this candle entry. So I was reviewing and seeing if I would be able to do that. Then I closed the stream and I did my first entry on the 15 minute, as I told you. And then I went back to see what Raja said about this, and he said exactly the same. So it's a very good feedback, instant feedback of, okay, I'm understanding. I gain confidence from this. No thoughts? And I had 20 pips in total of the 2 trades. This is the constructive self-assessment, trade reviews done, missed opportunities. No, I mean, this one was a back testing, but I was absolutely fine. It was not a missed opportunity. I was not trading anymore. I didn't miss. Didn't anything completely unexpected? No. My main fears, I didn't experience any fear. Any thoughts refused? 0. None. My trading standpoints being able to apply perception and momentum knowledge with the practice during the weekend. Trading limitations. Nope. What steps can I take? Keep deliberately practicing with pressure style until it becomes bread and butter. That I can feel good and not greedy when price keeps going in my direction, even if I took all the trim off. Actually I didn't have any animation. Forgot to make one. Okay, and that's it, guys. That's it for today. Very, very nice price action. As you can see, this one keeps going, but very nice understanding of the price action. And as I said, as in the pure Raja style, there's no need. Every day we mark up the chart from 0. There's no need of PPLs and everything. Yes, they are very good for reaction, as you can see. It's very algorithmic, and I understand that they react at these PPLs very good, but it's not something that I want to take into consideration for the actual trading. Maybe we'll see in the future. I don't know. Maybe this is a further confirmation, but I mean it's the same. So here, just looking at the chart, look where the price grab some liquidity multiple times. Exactly this. You can just see it on the chart. You don't need to have PPLs for now, I would say. So this is it, guys. See you tomorrow.